Hello students, welcome to SK Biology. Today we are going to understand one of the most important experiment related to the origin of life, the Miller-Urey Experiment. This experiment was conducted by Miller and Nobel Prize winner scientist Urey. The main purpose of this experiment was to test the concept of chemical evolution, which we have seen in last video. Miller-Urey experiment gave the first experimental proof that organic molecules necessary for life can be formed from simple inorganic compounds under primitive earth conditions. Let us look at the aim and assumptions of this experiment. The aim was to stimulate primitive earth conditions and check whether simple inorganic molecules can form complex organic compounds. The assumptions were based on idea given by Oparin and Haldane. According to them, the early Earth had a reducing atmosphere, meaning no free oxygen was present. The major gases were methane, ammonia, hydrogen, and water vapor. They also suggested that energy sources like lightning, UV radiation, and volcanic heat were available to drive chemical reactions. With these assumptions, they have set up experiment. Let us understand that setup. The entire setup was a closed glass system. A flask containing boiling water represents the primitive ocean. Another chamber contained gases like methane, ammonia, and hydrogen. Electrodes were fitted to produce electric spark, which stimulates lightning. A condenser was used to cool vapors into liquid form, and a tap was used to collect the synthesized compound. This setup continuously circulated the gases and vapors, stimulating early earth conditions. Let us see how the experiment worked step by step. The first step is water was boiled to produce water vapors. Then these vapors mixed with gases like methane, ammonia, and hydrogen. Electric spark were passed to mimic lightning, and the hot gases then cooled in a condenser. The condensed liquid was collected in a tap. This cycle was repeated continuously for several days. This continuous cycling allowed chemical reactions to occur. After about 1 week, scientists observed the results. The solution turned reddish brown, indicating the formation of new substances. And analysis of that solution shows that it contains amino acids like glycine, alanine, aspartic acid, and glutamic acid. Along with amino acid, some other organic compounds like urea, lactic acid, glycolic acid, propionic acid are also present. These are very important because amino acids are building blocks of protein, which are essential for life. This experiment concludes that organic molecules can be formed abiotically, that is, without life. It strongly supports the theory of chemical evolution, and it suggests that life could have originated through gradual chemical process. In short, the Miller and Urey experiment demonstrated that life's basic molecule could originate from non-living substances under primitive earth conditions.